Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing my Simply Earth recipe box for the month of May. Simply Earth is amazing. I've done, I don't know, this is like my third or fourth. They are amazing. They are an essential oil company founded by aromatherapists, and all of their boxes, they have a monthly recipe box. You can also buy individual products if you want, but this monthly box is so cool. It's the coolest thing I've come across when it comes to essential oils, and kind of like switching, I don't know, it's just everything you need, all the education and community you need to each month do something gradual to better your home, make your home more non-toxic and more natural. And I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I will try to link my other months, previous months, in the description so you can watch them. But they give you 4 oils each month and then recipes, a bunch of recipes to make different things with the oils that they're giving you, and they're seasonal or they're current to that month. So this month is all about, let's open up and see, soap making and natural cleaning. So spring cleaning, such a good theme. Next month, I don't know if I can share this or not, but it is, the June box is outdoors, I'll just say that, and it's really, really good. I'm very excited about that one. But also this one last month was all about resting, I think, resting and relaxing, self-care, that type of thing. So basically this is your box that you get each month, all of your things that you need, most of the things you need to make your recipe. Oh, a little soap mold, that's really cute. And then the recipes, which are here, under here somewhere, and then stickers so you can label everything too. Now, in your first order, when you place your first subscribe to this for the first month, you get a big bonus box. It's like this big, and it comes with like carrier oils, bottles, everything else that you'll need. So you kind of draw from that and use things from that box each time or each month, and I think that comes every 6 months. So if you need all of those extra supplies, it's really cool. My coupon code, which will be down below, gets you a free big bonus box and also a gift card to use on their site, which is super cool. It's a really good coupon code, and so many of you have used it, and it makes me so happy. I love that you're loving this too. So backstory, I guess, I'm a Young Living rep. I love Young Living, but in the last year or so I've kind of just branched out because I'm a big don't put all your eggs in one basket. I like trying different things, and so I just recently, or in the last year, have discovered there are so many other great, awesome brands like this one. They give 13% back too of their profits to help end human trafficking. How cool is that? But anyways, I love Simply Earth, and I hope that you can see that from this video. So let's open this box. I'm excited. In another video, or right after this, I'm going to film a video on making all of these so that you guys can see them like in action. But for this video, I'm just going to unbox them. So we have tranquility, frankincense, oregano, and orange. Orange lost. We lost orange. She's down. Yeah. Okay, got her. But I was very excited for the tranquility. First of all, it's just exciting to get 4 essential oils, and this is only $39. It's way over. The value is way over that. Actually, they tell you what the value is each month, and this value, okay, I don't see it on here. Maybe I'll come across it in a minute, but it's usually like $200 approximately of like value of this box. So anyways, way over 100 at least. And then also, I don't know if I said this right when I mentioned it before, but my code will give you $40 gift card with the purchase of their first box, and it's an actual gift card you will receive in your email after subscribing and paying for your first box. Get that out of the way. Okay, so back, where was I going with that? I'm excited because you get 4 oils for $39 plus all of these recipes and ways to use them. Like, so you're not going to order oils, a big box of oils, and then let them sit on your shelf for years. That you're actually going to use them, and they're going to be, and they test out all of these recipes, and they're legit. Oh, this smells so good. If you have Peace and Calming by Young Living, this is kind of similar. This is orange, lemon, patchouli, ylang ylang, and amorous. It's very calming. This is tranquility. Did I already say that? I'm like rambling. The sun just came out. It's a good day. I'm excited. I'm talking fast. I just had my energy drink. I'm like, okay, tranquility is super good. Frankincense, king of essential oils. You're getting a 15 milliliter bottle of frankincense in this subscription for May. And also I love all the education. It's endless with Simply Earth. On the bottle, in your box, on their website, they have so much information, where the oil's from, how it's distilled, what you can use it for, if it's safe on kids, pregnancy, pets, all of that. So you're never gonna just buy oils and never use them with Simply Earth. Frankincense, smells like frankincense. This is just like, if you're feeling any sort of way, just get some frankincense. Drop it on the top of your head. I heard that, a lot came out. Gosh, that was like guzzling. I thought one drop was gonna come out of there. That's okay. We are gonna be so grounded now. You can put a drop on the top of your head. Use with caution. These come out quick. Okay, rub that in. We got a lot of frankincense up in there. Okay, let's proceed. Oregano. This is a really good oil for immune support too. I don't know how they're gonna use it in this, but I like to add it to my wellness rollers and my wellness capsules. It doesn't smell the best. It's oregano. It smells like a plant. It smells very much just like a seasoning, I guess. Sweet orange. I love sweet orange. So fun fact, citrus oils are the only oils that aren't distilled from like the plant parts. It's distilled from the peels of the citrus fruit. So this is from the orange peel. It smells so good. Ooh, did I already show you that one? So on the bottle, it has all of this. So much information. This smells so good. All of their oils are tested too, so you can look up their, I don't know, what is it, MGS something testing, test results, what you need. If you're looking for an essential oil brand, they have to be third-party tested. You want to make sure that they are, and that you can readily just grab their tests if you need to. Okay, Simply Earth Melt and Pour Soap Base. So this is to make the soap, and then this is the little soap mold. See that? Okay, and then we have the recipes. I'll read them in just a second. This is rose clay. Oh, that's cool. So this is kaolin clay, natural colorant, exfoliant, and cleanser. And then stickers to label all of your recipes that you make. It's funny, the first month Zara took my sticker sheet out and put them all over the house, so I couldn't label anything when I was making all my stuff. But oh, that's, haven't seen this before, but they have like the top labels. So for tranquility, you can just put your little dot sticker on the top. That's super handy, especially if you're putting your oils in like a box or something where you're just looking at the top of them, or when you're traveling. That's nice to have. Okay, let's look at the recipes. Herbal surface cleaner. I am all about the natural cleaners. That is the #1 reason why we started using, or it's the first reason, not the #1. Is that even different? What am I even saying? Cleaning and laundry were the first things that made me want to start using essential oils. Is that better? So herbal surface cleaner. This is made with vinegar, water, oregano, orange, and tranquility. That's gonna smell really good, by the way. So you just mix it all together in a spray bottle. Here is that herbal cleaner. Rose quartz soap. Yes, that sounds good. I want that. So you use the soap base, cornstarch, the rose clay, rubbing alcohol, tranquility orange, and then you put it in your soap mold. So there's the recipe for that. On the back, oh, it continues the recipe for the back of that, but on the back of this one, it has different information on all the oils that you get. Told you guys, the education and resources are endless. Unwind diffuser blend is next. So this is frankincense, orange, tranquility, and oregano. Little diffuser blend, that's nice. Oh, so basically you went, like I said, with the big bonus box, you get some empty bottles. So you just mix 25 drops frankincense, 38 orange, and 25 tranquility, and 12 oregano into an empty bottle, and then you have a diffuser blend that you can just keep by your diffuser, so you don't have to grab all the bottles to make that blend. You just have it. And I love doing that. Some people call them diffuser bombs, but it's just super convenient. Depuff Ice Facial. That sounds nice. So you will need full fat coconut milk, and then you use the rose clay that came in here, frankincense and orange, and you make a little face mask. That's nice. And on the back of this one is a note from Katie, the founder of Simply Earth. Let's Be Frank is the next one. So this is Tranquility, frankincense, coconut oil, and it's in a 10 ml roller bottle, which is just a standard roller bottle. You remove cap from roll-on container, add the oils and swirl, fill, and apply to pulse points to support calm and honesty. Oh, okay, so there's that blend, and then on the back of this card, it has a sneak peek at next month. So like I said, it's a lot of outdoors types of things, and there is a blend in there that is my new favorite essential oil blend of all times. Okay, last rose sugar scrub soap. Oh, it's a sugar scrub soap. Huh. That's really cool. Love that. Okay, so this has the vegetable or the glycerin soap base, almond oil, sugar, and rose clay. Rubbing alcohol, orange, frank, and tranquility. There's the recipe for that. It continues on the back of the card. Okay, to recap, Simply Earth is just an awesome subscription. It's super affordable. They make it I don't want to say dumb it down, but they make it just super simple and doable. Essential oils are not complicated, and I think there are so many places to get information that it can be overwhelming, and they just make it super easy and simple and achievable. And they have just the things that you're going to need for that month, which is cool. 13% goes to end human trafficking. Again, so awesome. Another thing that I forgot to talk about when telling you all about the resources is that when you subscribe, you get access to an essential oil course, which is super cool. Again, they're just all about helping you use your oils. Okay, so I think, let's see, let me look at these again. My favorite oil from the box is Tranquility. I just love the blend. I love all of them, but this one is so good. You guys are gonna love that. And my favorite recipe, or the recipe that I'm most excited about, I think, might be the Rose Sugar Scrub Soap. That is so cool. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions on Simply Earth or on anything that they do or anything I talked about. Make sure you use my coupon if you subscribe, because it's a big, huge $40 back, and you get a free big bonus pack. So let me know, guys, if you have questions. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.